In this video, we are going to hack into Fawn machine from Hack the Box, which is the second machine in Hack the Box Tier 0 learning path. This machine is focused on exploiting FTP. First of all, open Hack the Box dashboard, select Connect to Hack the Box, and download the VPN credentials. Save these. Now open the folder where these credentials have saved in download folder. Open the terminal in the same folder and use the command sudo openvpn and the file name. And you will be connected to Hack the Box VPN connection. Open another terminal. Use ifconfig command to check whether you are connected or not, and you can see the tunnel 0 interface available. Now go back to Hack the Box website and spawn the machine. It may take a while to start. Just copy the target machine IP and now let's just run a nmap scan against the machine. I have used T5 and minimum rate 500 to speed up the process. -V is verbose scan and -P- is going to check for all available ports on the machine. Nmap scan will take a while to complete, and it is outputting the information as soon as it gets it. For example, we can see that port 21 is open on the machine, which is FTP port. Now while Nmap is conducting the scan, we can go back to Hack the Box website and try to answer some questions. So the first question is, what does the acronym FTP stand for? Which is File Transfer Protocol. Just submit the answer. Now the next question is, which port does the FTP service listen on usually? Which is 21, and which is also open on our machine. Now the third question is, what is the secure version of FTP? It is Secure FTP. Now the next question is, which command is used to send an ICMP echo request to test the connection to our target? Which is the ping command. Let's just try to first do it. Open another terminal and try to ping the IP address. And you can see that we do have a connectivity to our machine. So answer it with ping. Click submit answer. Now the next question is, from your scans, which version the FTP is running on the target? For this we need our scan results. And in the next question it is asking for OS type. So let's go back to our scan. So now our scan has completed. Now let's get the required information. So our machine is running VSFTPD 3.0.3. Just copy this information and answer Hack the Box question. Now the next question was the OS type, which we can see that it's Unix. Just copy it and paste it. Now the next question is, what is the command we need to run in order to display the FTP client help, which is FTP-H. Now let's just try to connect with our machine. Use the command FTP with the IP address of the target machine. Use the username anonymous. And give it a blank password. And you can see that we are connected to our machine. Now we can run different commands such as ls or directory. And here we have the flag in flag.txt file. So let's just answer some Hack the Box questions. So the username is anonymous. Now the next question is, what is the response code of the FTP login successful, which is 230. Let's just answer it. Now the next question is, what is the command used to list down all files, which is ls, the same command that we use in our Kali Linux. Now to download our file, we use the get command. Just use the command and download the flag file. And you can see that our downloaded has started. Now open the downloads folder. And open the flag.txt file. And here we have our flag. Copy the flag. Go back to hack the box. We used get command to download it. Now submit the root flag. And the Fawn has been pawned. I hope you like this video and see you in the next video.